Popcorn's ready.
Oh, great. Just put it right there by the drinks.
Nice.
Can't wait. You ready?
Yup.
Awesome.
I take the scooter. I mean, it's kind of expensive, straining my bank account a little bit, but I don't have to walk.
So, Will's got to keep my heart rate up. I run to class every single day, trying to get on the cross-country team. And
Are you good?
Oh, yeah. I'm just getting over this cold I had like a week ago. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's just, trying to watch a movie here.
Yeah, I'll try not to make too much of a racket.
Well,
Okay.
Mother lands the helicopter and we get off from our dinner in Arkansas, and then we depart for the morning. And Father.
Hey, Wilson, can you pass me the popcorn?
And our chauffeur
Huh?
arrives and he drives us off.
Wilson, can you pass me the popcorn?
Who's Wilson?
Sorry, I just kind of assumed your name was Wilson, because you said that you were gonna stop making a racket, and here you are making rackets. I'm just teasing.
Oh, I get it.
But seriously, do stop.
Sorry, it's just something I can't control.
Well, maybe you can try to be a little bit more courteous. I am trying to enjoy a movie here.
Jeez, man. You know we are watching the same movie.
Hey guys, wait up!
Yeah.
I guess you don't need to wait. I'm really fast with this bike. Where are you guys headed?
Hey, did you know that the first synchronization and dialogue within movies was in 1927? 1927! What a marvelous technology it must have been. Truly. I mean, really, movies have gone so far.
Yeah, why are you bringing that up?
Because it's been nearly 100 years, and for whatever godforsaken reason, you think that I can enjoy this movie without its dialogue.
Oh my god, man. I just have a cough.
Just a little cough? Well, I guess the Hindenburg explosion must have just been a balloon popping to you, huh? Or the asteroid that killed all the dinosaurs was just a grease fire.
You are being absolutely ridiculous and you are overreacting. Look, I just had a cough. I was a little sick. I'm not even contagious. So you need to take a couple chill pills and relax. It's louder for me than it is for you anyways.
What must be because your head's so hollow?
All this dedication to this bike. For what? 15
You know what? Can you pause it? I need to go grab something.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
With my bike. Off to my next class.
What the hell, man? What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry. I just was thinking that I would give you a taste of your own medicine, right? Because if I can't hear anything, then I'm sure that you don't want to hear anything either.
You are completely overreacting. This is ridiculous. You know what? I will stay for the movie, but then after that, I'm out of here.
Fine.
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 Not even a cough.
You're right. Maybe I'm overreacting. I could just turn the speaker up.
Yeah, see? It's not that. What are you doing with it? No! No!
Oh man, the speaker's busted. Oh well. Just use subtitles.